Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on our applications to show us brief notifications on our screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to find notifications options? Settings, of course. Here we have notifications menu, and here we have notifications pop-up style. In here we can change apps to show us brief. By default, all should be selected, but if for whatever reason some are turned off, we can just turn them back on right here, or just use all apps to turn and turn off. No need to save, back out, and as you can see now, all apps are show us brief. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.